anyone who doesn't have a console or heavy-duty PC, but always wanted to try their hands on high-end games, NVIDIA has added another way for folks to stream games through GeForce Now. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech and gaming news. NVIDIA GeForce Now has finally decided to support Firefox on Windows. Now you'll be able to stream PC games through the service in Mozilla's browser at up to 1440p and 120 frames per second. If you're a GeForce Now Ultimate subscriber, GeForce Now already supports other browsers like Chrome, Edge, Safari, and Opera, and now Firefox has joined the list. Service is available on all manner of devices at this point, including PCs, tablets, phones, TVs, and handheld devices. GeForce Now users can play more than 2,000 games by using the service, including many they own or have access to across Steam, Epic Games Store, GOG, Xbox's PC Game Pass, and Ubisoft Connect. Mozilla says users have long been asking for GeForce Now support and that it worked with NVIDIA for months to make this happen. For those who like to stream games and have Firefox as their preferred browser, this is surely a pleasant news, particularly if they don't have a setup they can play high-end games in and can't justify buying a PC in the current market. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.